That small town feel can't be found in the city, but it can be found right outside it, with the ease of a slower paced lifestyle, where days start with a sunrise over the pasture and end with stars reflecting in the fishing pond. Still close to downtown Raleigh or the beaches of Wilmington. Custom designed by a celebrated architect, only one family has ever lived in 255 Emmet Thornton Road. A house designed for large family gatherings, afternoons on horseback, and the space and freedom to stretch out. Their tranquil haven is your new chapter, an opportunity to call the natural beauty of the countryside home.